Recently, we received feedback from a customer who noticed a negative active power value on one of the phases. They were concerned that the system might be exporting power to the grid, even though zero export had already been configured on the logger. After further investigation, we discovered that the negative value was actually caused by incorrect CT polarity. To verify this, we asked the customer to perform a key stop on the solar inverter and observe the meter readings again. The results showed that the active power value remained negative even when there was no solar generation. This confirmed that the issue was not caused by solar export, but by the CT being installed with the wrong polarity. We then advised the customer to correct the CT polarity and compare the readings again before turning the solar system back on. There is also another way to verify this issue through iSolarCloud. For example, if you review the historical data during non-generation hours, such as at night, when the solar system is not producing any power, you may notice that one of the phases still shows a negative active power value. In this case, phase B is showing a negative reading, which is a strong indication that the CT polarity may be reversed. Always ensure the CT polarity is installed correctly before performing any zero export troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow installer guidelines and troubleshooting tutorials. Thank you for watching.